Following the lockdown, government allowed borrowers a holiday of 3 months on their loan repayments. That is, and asked the banks to give a moratorium of 3 months for the loan repayments. Of course, what this was is those EMIs that we defer now will get added later on, so our loan gets extended by another 3 months. So in this moratorium period, banks have a charge of interest that will get again charged of interest. That is, interest on interest will be charged for the 3 months that interest gets added to the loan amount. So government steps in, court comes in and asks the banks not to charge interest on interest, so that there is no more burden or higher burden on the borrowers. While banks came out with their opinion that if you are asking us not to charge the interest on interest, we will be losing about 2 lakh crores of interest charge. So who is going to pay this charge now? If either government has to come out and pay the banks whatever they are going to lose, or banks have to suffer losses. With the situation where banks are already reeling under huge pressure, where businesses are closing now, there is going to be big defaults coming up in the borrower's lender side. Loans might not be serviced and the banks will have to take a pinch. On that side, even they are asking for collateral acquisitions, which will create a lot of damage in the markets coming forward. Along with this, if this interest charge which is not to be charged, government banks are asking government what needs to be done. Okay, you are asking us not to charge the interest. How will we get back the money? So they were saying that if we are not charging interest to our borrowers, so what we can do is we will also stop paying interest to our deposit holders. That means they are directly hitting the FD interests. So people who have FD fixed deposits will have to do away with the interest payments from the banks. This is going to be a serious impact, because when FD interest is touched, that will impact a lot of people across the country. So how this is going to be addressed? As of now, there is no idea. Supreme Court has asked the government to come up with a plan in 3 months' time. Of course, 3 months is a longer period. By that time, this situation would have eased out and banks would have paid interest on their deposits and their collections would have been poor. So in the next 1 or 2 quarters, banks will have very big impact, not only from this interest, also from the loan repayments, which they will suffer from the corporate side too. This, if suppose government is addressing by paying the banks, it will bring in new kind of taxes into the market, which will be taxed more, and commodities like petroleum, liquor will get taxed higher. So in one way or the other, population has to pay for the pains that we have brought in through the lockdown. So need to be cautious on FDs too. So which was not at all expected. FD interests will get impacted due to economic slowdown. Now that is a big thing staring at people's mind today. So what it tells us is nothing is safe. Even FDs will have a hit. If suppose banks decide not to pay interest on FDs, those instruments that got paid interest in the period of lockdown, how that will get adjusted, we don't know. It is clueless. While there is a challenge, very big challenge before the government and the banks, as well as the public. We are staring at a bigger challenge. Thank you.